Hi, this is Rick Sorsey with Stockdale Kitchen and Bath. I want to show you the whole house that we remodeled, but we're going to break it down to each room. This is the kitchen. Check it out. Quartzite countertops, beautiful, marble looking, but strong enough and durable enough to withstand the kitchen abuse. Come check out these cabinets. They're by distinctions and they're maple. The color is sealed and it's a matte finish, not a shiny finish, but more like a furniture finish. 48-inch refrigerator by KitchenAid, that's a built-in unit. 36-inch cooktop, range top. So what's cool about a range top is you get the top of a range, but you still get these big drawers underneath it. And a lot of people don't like to bend down for a range. In this case, they get double ovens. Check out the sink and island. So we've got an apron front sink, Moen gold fixtures. We have a trash can on the right, apron front sink, dishwasher, and a bank of drawers. Classic. Scrape your trash, rinse the plate, put it away in the dishwasher, and put away the silverware here on the bank of drawers. Nice big island with seating on 3 sides. Over here, this used to be one of those classic kitchen nook areas where they have the bay window. So what we did is we raised the windows, kept the arches that were original, but then put in this beverage and microwave center. Isn't that neat? Lots of storage here. Well, I'm Rick Sorsey and this is Stockdale Kitchen and Bath. If you have any questions, please give me a call at 661-834-3333. Thanks for riding along. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.